Ahoy, treasure seekers. The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,676, the crow's nest where bulls squint for distant land. Value area low, VAL, 6,611, the creaking lower deck where sellers plot. Point of control, POC, 6,659, the bustling galley where most of the crew gathered. Support zone, 6,611 to 6,615, stout planks patched and sturdy. Resistance zone, 6,672 to 6,676. Wind-whipped rigging that is tough to climb. Single prints or escape paths. Lower 661, 1 to 6613, a narrow gangway that can give way quickly. Upper 6,677 to 6,687, the high rigging rarely visited without strong tailwinds. Market context. Most recent RTH session traded roughly 6,611 to 6,687. I recalculated using a proper time at price profile for that session, which corrects the earlier mismatch. Consider this the captain's revised chart after noticing we were steering by last week's stars. With POC at 6,659 and a fairly even distribution around it, the ship feels balanced with a slight list toward resistance into 6,672 to 6,676. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta, CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD 3,580 contracts. Intraday peak buying. CVD 119,460. Current CVD 117,278. Intraday low. CVD negative 66,407. Interpretation. Buyers controlled most of the session, but the peak minus current gap hints at some late selling parries. Sustained acceptance above 6,676 needs fresh boarding parties, not just echoes from earlier raids. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Tests into VAL 661, 1 to 6615, or reclaim of 6672 after a shallow pullback. Stop loss. Below 6,608 or below the lower thin zone. 6,611 to 6,613 if entered on a fade. Profit target. First at POC 6,659. Runners towards 6,672 to 6,676. Short trades. Entry zone. Rejection at 6,672 to 6,676, or failure back inside value after a brief look above 6,676. Stop loss. Above 6,688 to clear the upper thin zone, 6,677 to 6,687. Profit target, first at POC 6,659, then VAL 6,611. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, acceptance above V. AH, price holds above 6,676 with rotations building higher. Setup, long on pullbacks that hold 6,672 to 6,676, stop 6,666, target 6,685, then 6,695. Scenario B, rejection at VAH, quick poke into 667, 7 to 668, 7 fails and snaps back. Setup, short 667, 2 to 6676 on failure, Stop 6688, target 6659, then 6635. Scenario C, failure at VACL. Clean break, below 6611, 1 opens the lower deck. Setup, short sub 6611, stop 6616, target 6598, then 6588, if momentum persists. Scenario D, value rotation, chop between 6,615 and 6,672, centered on 6,659. Setup, fade extremes back to POC, stops 5 to 7 points beyond the fade level, scale at 6,659, and let a runner attempt the opposite edge. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.